So let's find out if the little Ryobi pressure washer can make a dent in some of this rust and peeling paint on this deck. On the bottom you can see there's still a bunch of grass and other debris. I removed this from a Cub Cadet RZT 50-inch zero turn. I'm not even sure the pressure washer will get all this debris off the bottom, much less any of that rust and paint off the top. But let's get this disassembled and see what it can do. There's an awful lot of hubs, wheels, pulleys, bolts, and they're all rusted. Here's a look at the little Ryobi pressure washer I'm using. I think it did a really good job of getting all that debris and grass off the bottom of the deck. Here's what it looks like after one pass over the top of the deck. Now here's how it looks after 3 or 4 passes over the top of the deck. We definitely removed a lot of rust and a lot of peeling paint to reveal more rust under the peeling paint. So I'm glad we got rid of that. Now we can go and make the next video, which will be experimenting with sanding and blasting to see what best techniques we can come up with to do the most efficient rust removal on this deck. I also have a playlist full of zero-turn mower repairs, which I'll put a link to right here as well. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto.
Do not accept anything you see or hear in this video. Serious injury or death may occur. Saneauto and/or Victor Sane cannot guarantee against improper use or unauthorized modifications of this information. Saneauto and/or Victor Sane assumes no liability for property damage or injury incurred as a result of any of the information contained in this video. Use this information at your own risk. Saneauto recommends safe practices when working on vehicles and/or with tools seen or implied in this video. No information contained in this video shall create any express or implied warranty or guarantee of any particular result. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of these tools, equipment, or from the information contained in this video is the sole responsibility of the user and not Saneauto or Victor Sane. In layman's terms, please don't do anything you see me do in my videos. If you end up cruising bleeding just like me, this contains feelings for which I may be compensated.